Hi guys, we have a very special guest with us today. His name is Santosh Kumar Reddy, and we have coach Jena. Jena was taking care of Santosh, and I was informed by Jena that it's a big list of health issues that Santosh was having. So poor digestion, constipations, bloating, acidity, and gas. So these 4 from 3 years. Then sinus issue, rhinitis, and frequent cold from 5 years. And then depression, anxiety, and low energy from 1 year. Joint pain, heel pain, and arthritis from 1 year. Acne from 3 years, and hair fall from 2 years. So let's come and ask Santosh how has been his journey. And he's mostly out of all the health issues, no medicine, no supplement. Let's talk to Santosh and then we'll come to Jena. So over to you, Santosh. How has been your journey? Yes.
Hello, sir.
Hi.
Sir, actually, when I attended your webinar first, I was actually fascinated your health diet, which is a scientific research-based food diet plan. So I want to give a shot. And in the beginning, when I was about to start the journey with the coach of Jana ma'am, due to my shoulder injury, I could not able to follow it in the starting. So my coach freezed the plan, and later it was in the regular process. At that time, when I fallen down due to health shoulder injury, I completely eliminated MRP in my diet plan. Due to elimination of MRP only, I recovered from sinusitis and frequent cold.
Wow.
And after starting my journey, with the help of my coach, I had to recover from almost of my 20 lifestyle diseases. I recovered from all of that.
Amazing. Wow.
She helped me in a step-by-step procedure, and I have also the habit of smoking also. And my coach Jana ma'am helped me how to eliminate this quitting of smoke through step by step, and she motivated me. She has followed me regularly, how was I'm doing, whether I'm doing correctly or not, and like that. And when I'm getting some personal health issues for my wife also, she used to help me a lot by giving right advice, what to take, which kasayas I have to take, which food she has to take, and all that. Actually, I have to especially thank you for giving Jana ma'am as my coach, and thank you Jana ma'am for your wonderful support.
Amazing. Amazing. Thank you so much, Santosh. 15 to 20 degrees is a big list, and more power to you. Welcome to Jena. So, Jena, how has been your journey with Santosh? And over to you.
Yes. Good evening, Vishal. Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much, Santosh, for your kind words. My journey with Santosh is really going great. Santosh is our quantum member also, Vishal. I think if you remember. Yeah, and he's a very cool person. He doesn't believe in taking any medicines, and he's a man of few words. And can you guess what is his favorite word? Like, he always says, whatever I tell him, he says, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. He has so much of faith and trust in me that he has followed everything I've asked him to do, and he doesn't ask me questions. My message to everyone is just trust the process, surrender yourself, and stay committed and stay consistent. Results will follow, and you can achieve anything what you want in your life. So thank you, Vishal, for your support always, and thank you, Santosh, for having your faith in me and Go Nature.
So Santosh, just a beginning. You have to, what you're learning, you have to carry this for your lifetime, and just be disease free. That is the only intention. More power to you. More power to you, Jena. Everybody, please type MQTY for Santosh and Jena. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.